Hey guys, TJ Griner here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Today I'm standing behind a beautiful 2022 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Let's jump on board and take a quick look around. All right guys, so as you step aboard this beautiful 320 Vantage, you'll notice right away the amount of space. Big aft area here, seating. Something really nice about the Boston Whaler, they do have the ability to lay this down into a full sun pad. Of course, storage underneath both sides. We do have a large seat in the back area here that does pull out to another seating area. Nice dive door. Great area here to serve drinks, cut up food. You've got a live well, an additional fridge, freezer down below. Let's make our way forward. So state-of-the-art electronics at the helm. This boat is equipped with a joystick Mercury JPO system. Nice large head area here in front of the console. And as you move forward, we have a nice lounging sun pad for the days on the water. So for those long days at the sandbar when you're just looking to get out of the sun, nice little sitting area down here. So for more information on this boat or any boat we carry, give us a call at 727-343-6520. Again, my name is TJ Griner with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. We look forward to seeing you out on the water.